In this video, we are unboxing RLC510A PoE IP camera with smart person or vehicle detection and showing you how to install and set it up in minutes. When you open the box, you'll find your RLC510A camera and other parts that help install and use it right away. Coming with a high resolution of 5 megapixels, this Power over Ethernet Bullet Security IP camera offers you an exceptional video quality, and with 18 pieces powerful infrared LEDs, RLC510A ensures up to 100 feet clear night vision for your security, even in the dark. IP66 certified weatherproof, designed for working perfectly anywhere, anytime. Micro SD card socket for recording motion clips. 24/7 continuous recording also available with a Reolink NVR. Built-in mic enables audio recording. Advanced detection technology effectively tells people and vehicles and identifies true threats. And the smart playback function helps filter clips by person, vehicle, or motion to find videos quickly. One cable for 3 types of connectors: the network cable, the power port, and the reset button. Now, let's power on RLC510A and set it up. Connect the camera to a PoE switch via an Ethernet cable. Connect the PoE switch to your router and power on the PoE switch. To set up RLC510A, open Reolink app. Tap the Add New Device button and follow the in-app instructions to finish the initial setup. Then, you'll see live videos on the phone, or you can play back the recording clips of vehicles, human activities, or motion detection on your phone as you need. Now, follow the steps below to install the camera quickly. Put the mounting template on the wall to help the installation. Drill holes and screw the mounting base to the wall at the indicated locations. And adjust the viewing angle. Finally, lock it in position firmly. You may also use the provided waterproof lid to prevent water intrusion and ensure long-lasting performance of the camera. To enjoy a better image or video quality, please avoid facing the camera directly to sunlight or glass windows, and avoid mounting the camera in places where are too dim or too bright, or where rain or snow can hit the camera lens directly. For more about installing and using Reolink RLC510A, visit support.reolink.com.